Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will be modeling a part of this robotic gripper in SOLIDWORKS. So we will be modeling this simple link in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. Open a part file and change the background to plain white and make sure that you are working in mmgs millimeters as units. Then I will create a sketch on the top plane. First I will create a reference center line at this origin. So I will ensure that this line is horizontal, so I will assign a horizontal relation to this one. After that I will specify the length of this line as 131 divided by 2, or you can say 65.5 millimeters. Okay, after that I will create a circle at this point and another circle on the same point, and then I will specify the diameters of these. So circle 1, this is 5, and the second circle, this diameter is going to be 14 millimeters. Okay, after that I will select a line and I will hover over the circle. I will guard the yellow dot and create a horizontal line and another horizontal line. Make sure that these are perfectly horizontal. You can assign horizontal relation if you want to. Then select a circle, a center line, and join these 2 points and ensure that this is vertical, and you can assign a vertical relation as well. Now what I will do, I will hold control key, select this origin point and this point of the center line and make relation coincident. You can assign it from here as well. Okay, now I will select the mirror entities, and in this window I will select this entire sketch, and as you can see the lines have been added, and in mirror about window I will select the reference center line and check the box. And now we need to trim some entities, so I will select the trim entities and I will trim this internal arcs. Okay, now our sketch is complete. So I will go to features, I will select extruded boss base, and I will specify the length of extrusion as 15 millimeters, and I will check the box. Okay, now I will simply assign any material. This is an optional step, you can assign any material you like. I'm assigning this green one, and our gripper link is ready, and now we can save this file, and I'm going to name it as gripper underscore link, and in our future videos we will be assembling this with the robotic gripper. Thanks for watching.